Veilig in Chanukah, everybody. Tonight is the third night of Chanukah, so here's my vart on the number 3. There are three parts of spirituality in a person: a nefesh, ruach, and a neshama. Nefesh is affected by action, ruach by speech, and neshama by thought. Now, a human being is the only part that has a lower part of the soul and a higher part, the nefesh and the ruach. An animal has only a nefesh, but no ruach, and malachim have a ruach, but no nefesh. Okay, now, if you take the word nefesh, it's an acronym. Nun, Fe, Shin. Ner, Ptila, and Shemen. Let's look at each of these. Ner, the flame. It's made up of nun and a reish. Nefesh and ruach, the lower part, which is of the neshama, of the soul, which connects to the body, and the higher part of the soul, which is connecting to the upper world. And when they connect, it creates a spark. Now, ptila is the next thing. Ptila is a physical thing. It's the only thing that burns, but doesn't get consumed until the oil is gone. And the body is a physical thing. The body is a medium to absorb the oil, basically, so to speak. And at the end of our lives, the body begins to go. Once the oil is gone, it begins to go. Okay? Now, shemen. Shemen is a connection. It's connecting the wick, in this case, and the flame. Like I told you on the first night, it symbolizes a connection. The Jewish people are compared to oil because just like if you mix oil with other liquids, it always separates itself and it goes to the top. The three elements, the wick, the flame, and the shemen, are indicative of a connection. The number 3 is indicative of a connection. In fact, the word shalsheles is a chain of connecting all the links together. Also, in the Torah, we have 4 words with a trop shalsheles. And this is significant because it connects to different generations and the episodes that are happening over there. Now, Rabbi Yitzchak Diamond says a beautiful gematria. He says, how do you know that the Jewish soul soared after they persevered over the Yevanim? So, if you take the letters on the dreidel, Nun, Gimel, Hey, Shin, that's 358. Add in the total amount of candles, not including the shamish that we light, that's 36. 358 plus 36 is 394. Imakoila is 395. And that equals neshama, Nun, Shin, Mem, Hey, 395. Also, if you remember on the first night, I said Hashemen, if you jumble up same letters as neshama. Abba techazek oti legamre, tadlik li et haneshama. Happy Chanukah, everybody.